Most people get this wrong. They assume business credit cards are only for big companies. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring how much value a card like the Wyndham Earner Business Card can actually bring even to small business owners and freelancers. In this video, we are breaking down the Wyndham Earner Business Card review for 2026 and seeing if it is really worth it. Let's start with the basics. The Wyndham Earner Business Card is a hotel rewards credit card designed for business spending. It is part of the Wyndham Rewards program, which includes hotels like Ramada, Days Inn, La Quinta, and Wyndham Grand. Now here's where it gets interesting. This card is built to turn your everyday business expenses into hotel rewards, especially spending like advertising, gas, dining, and travel purchases. Let's break it down step by step. First, the welcome bonus. Like most business cards, this one often offers a large points bonus after meeting a spending requirement in the first few months. For someone like Alex who runs a small online business, this can easily turn regular business expenses into free hotel nights. But here's the problem most people overlook. They focus only on the bonus and ignore how the ongoing rewards actually work month after month. Now, let's talk about earning categories. The Wyndham Earner Business Card typically gives strong points on Wyndham hotel stays and additional rewards on common business expenses like gas and marketing spending. For someone like Jake who drives frequently for client meetings or runs ads online, those categories can quietly build a large points balance over time. Now here's the important part. How valuable are these points in real life? Wyndham uses a relatively simple redemption system. Many hotel stays require a fixed number of points, which makes it easier to plan compared to complicated travel programs. In a minute, I'll explain where this simplicity becomes both a strength and a limitation. Second, business benefits. This card is designed for small business use, which means it often includes expense tracking tools and separation of personal and business spending. That helps simplify accounting and budgeting. Third, elite status perks. Many versions of this card include automatic Wyndham Rewards Elite status. That can mean benefits like bonus points, priority treatment, and potential room upgrades when staying at Wyndham hotels. But let's be honest. If you rarely stay at Wyndham properties, these perks lose a lot of their value. Now let's talk about fees. The Wyndham Earner Business Card comes with an annual fee. So you need to make sure your rewards and hotel savings are higher than what you are paying. This is where most users make a mistake. They get the card, but do not actually use it enough to justify the cost. So is it worth it in 2026? If your business spends regularly on travel, gas, or advertising, and you stay at Wyndham hotels even a few times per year, this card can be very valuable. If not, there are more flexible travel cards that may fit better. Let's summarize everything clearly. The Wyndham Earner Business Card is a strong hotel-focused business rewards card that turns everyday business spending into free hotel nights, but it only delivers full value if you actively use the Wyndham ecosystem. If this helped you understand the Wyndham Earner Business Card in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit card breakdowns like this.